In this video I'll be showing you the repotting of an old juniper, common juniper, Juniperus communis, into a custom bonsai pot that I made. The video for the creation of that pot you can see down below. Hello, my name is Rafael Nashmanovic and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. So this is the pot and the original plan for this pot, and here is the final result, and I'll go through the process in which I repotted it. This is a common juniper, and I thought that I had the roots on the edge of the trunk. I didn't know that there were hidden parts of the trunk within the soil when I first repotted it. This tree came from the Côte Nord, which is about 12 hours from Montreal, and it was collected 3 years ago, so it was about time to repot it. Here I'm showing you the repot. I started by inspecting the root mass and slowly removing the areas that I thought were the points of greatest limitations for the repot, and then I found myself with this large piece of the trunk that was buried under the ground. This tree was there was minimal root work on it. I thought that maybe I could use another pot, but eventually I decided to go with the original pot, even though I would not be using the central part of the top part of the pot for part of the root system, which was my original idea. The repot is being shown very quickly here, but we use galvanized steel wire to attach it. We use soil which is 111 Shabazai diatomaceous earth pumice with some small amount of pine bark. You can see my son there in the garden, and so this is the tree as it was immediately repotted, and before I found the ground covering thyme, which I planted on the top section and may eventually occupy the root mass, but I probably will not let it, because the roots, although they are shallow, they could compete with water uptake with the juniper, so I'll probably keep the two root systems separated. Now this tree didn't have a name, and now I decided to call it the Guinness Juniper, and you will see in a moment why. The main focus of this tree is on that bend and the exposed, half deteriorated root system. I apologize for the error here. Here is where I planted the thyme, and the final result will come up in a moment. There was this part of what appeared to be a root, but it turned out that it was dead, so I shortened it, but all the other roots, even the smaller ones coming out of the section that was previously buried of the trunk, are going into the soil. So it's quite a unique tree, and I'm very happy with it. It will be styled only after it regains vigor. So this is how it looks now again, and you can see why I called it the Guinness Juniper. No sponsorship from Guinness. So until the next time, thank you very much, and please subscribe.